Nice to hear that where you live has a lot to do with how much you pay. Rob Koebel lets us know who's paying the most and how you can save a little.
It's the law. Insurance in Arizona is mandatory. Most accept the fact.
I think it's good to have, just in case there's accidents or anything.
But what many don't realize is, depending on where you live in the valley, you may be paying higher prices. Car insurance rates are determined by your zip code.
The reason that I've heard to do that is because of the type of vehicles in your area. If you live in an upscale area like Scottsdale or Paradise Valley, there's more vehicles that are worth more money.
Close, but not exactly right. It's even simpler than that.
Usually the zip code rating is based on accident frequency within that particular area.
85260, the area of Pima and Shea.
For example, let's say you're a 30-year-old male driving a 1998 Ford Taurus with a clean driving record. If you live in this apartment complex in North Scottsdale, zip code 85260, every 6 months you will shell out $515.
It's strictly a numbers game with the insurance companies. They're going to charge what they anticipate they may have to pay out.
Insurance agents take into consideration how much traffic moves through the area you live.
The more traffic congestion there is, the more likelihood of high frequency of accidents.
Take the city of Tempe, for instance. Although traffic is busy, it's not what insurance agents consider high volumes.
Well, there's a little less traffic congestion out there, and probably historically, up until now, there haven't been that many accidents. So the basic rate could be a lot less.
In fact, it is. If you live in Tempe, you save almost $50. Your cost for zip code 85281, $473.
And if you live in Central Phoenix, you probably already guessed it, you pay one of the highest rates for car insurance throughout the valley.
And if you call this apartment complex home on East Fillmore in downtown Phoenix, zip code 85004, you'll be getting a hefty bill, nearly $692 for 6 months of coverage.
There's a lot more traffic, probably a lot more fender benders, and that's going to affect the rate.
So the next time you think about moving, you may want to call your insurance agent with the new zip code. It just might save you a bundle. Rob Koebel, Fox 10 News.
And Rob tells us, again, we've heard this before, a good idea to shop around before you pick an insurance company. Many will have discounts which will save you money, and don't be afraid to ask questions if you're confused about the policy and what it covers.